So can you do a brief introduction of you and your project?
Sure. My name is Nick. I'm co-founder at Assisterr. We're building a network of community-owned small language models. So the core idea and belief that we share is that a lot of AI models owned by community should be overperforming large language models owned by a few companies.
Thank you so much. So I think we just interviewed your colleague, David. Yep.
Our head of AI.
Oh, yes, exactly. So he shared a lot of his passion. Yeah, he's very passionate over the whole AI technology. So this question is, what do you think about the AI and blockchain integration in the future? I think it's really highly related to your project.
Yeah, I think AI brings to the opposite, like the blockchain brings to AI very important two components. Like first, it's full transparency because you can trace and check where this data came from, who is the real owner of this data, how to avoid biases. And like there is a lot of issues that can be solved through the transparency. And another side, it's crypto incentives. So it's like with crypto incentives, we can also bring a lot of adoption to many AI use cases which are not well adopted at this moment of time, because everyone is using this like conversational chatbots, but there is so many things outside of conversational chatbots that could be done, could be used, but not as many users actually have intent or incentives to go and use and try and play with that. And that's a part of distribution problem, because builders are building different things, but they cannot, like give it to thousands or maybe millions of users and say like, go try to use it for simplifying your daily life. And last thing, it's basically also from blockchain, it's decentralized coordination of very large groups of people or organization or different entities in the network that can perform some things and achieve one specific goal altogether. And that's basically three things that I think blockchain brings to AI and brings a lot of value to AI.
Yes. So the next question is also related to this one. What do you think this AI and blockchain, let's say, when they complement each other, what do you think is going to affect the crypto market?
I think they're quite complementary technologies, especially if we are thinking about decentralized AI as a concept, which is relying including on DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure, and also different projects like Assisterr and others who are acting on data layer. They're quite beneficial to each other, and they are positively affecting the market because there is new liquidity, new interest, new people come into the market, and they actually have a lot of interest into AI. And then through the AI, they also get a lot of incentives into blockchain world. And the opposite, like some people are interested only into crypto market, but then they see like, okay, I know that the AI is the future. Like, who are these companies who are actually building this future? How can I participate? How can I upskill my, knowledge or maybe skills to do something that is valuable for this company? So let's say with our company, we see that there would be a huge amount of people that would be kind of a new AI data gig workers that doesn't need to go to drive Uber. They can actually find some models and contribute data on a weekly basis to this model and have, I don't know, $100, $200, maybe $500 per month. And it's already enough for many countries for these people to have a good life.
Yes. Exactly. That's actually what Pundi AIFX is trying to do. So we're building a marketplace where there will be data providers and data taggers. So they can do tagging on the data annotation. So by doing that, they can earn crypto in return. Yeah. So that's what the whole AIFX, Pundi AIFX is doing right now. And what do you think of it?
I think that's excited, like if you will create very easy UX UI interface for anyone globally to contribute their knowledge or maybe time and do some basic work, but which would be actually valuable for AI, it totally makes sense. And like for these people, it's like also huge opportunity to actually monetize their time in some different way, either just, get extra X amount of dollars or whatever on top of their salary, or maybe in the future even replace their salary or their day-to-day work for this like digital contribution to AI.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, thank you so much for the interview.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.